guys, thanks for stopping at the Cranberry Cornstalk YouTube channel, the channel where we share our love for primitive decor. This week in the studio I was working on some candles and I thought I'd share with you how I made them. We made some taper candles, some cinnamon rolls, a couple different kinds of tapers. We did the colonials and then the regulars. I shared with you the way I do that. I don't want you to think that my workroom is clean. It is actually used, and I use it a lot, so it's not spotless like some of these beautiful videos. I'm so envious of how nice theirs is. I'm just actually in the process of getting a new whole workroom. We're getting new floors and new cabinets and things like that, a place that I can actually work on my items and keep organized. I'm so excited. So I am going to try to share with you some footage from that. That's why I didn't make a video last week, guys. I do apologize. We've just been busy trying to get that cleaned out. We have to clear the entire workroom so that we can get the new floor put down, and it's been quite the struggle. I have a couple of years of items in there, and all of my projects, my waxes, my heaters, everything is in the workroom, and we're getting new floors put down and new cabinets. So I'm really excited about the whole new process and the whole facelift we're giving it. I'm going to try to share some of that with you as well so that you can follow along my journey. But that's why I didn't get a video out last week. I've just been so busy lugging things to a different place to store them until it's over, plus trying to fill orders and keeping the the melters and all of the things still there so I can work and fill orders as we go, especially the wholesale orders. You think you have a lot of stock worked up and you're ready, and then you get slammed with an order you just weren't expecting of a particular item you don't sell a lot of. It's kind of fun and exciting, but it is a process to get all that cleaned out and start over, but yet maintain the workflow in the meantime. So I apologize for missing the video last week, but this week is going to be fun. I'll share with you how I made the tapers and the cinnamon rolls and show you how they looked in the end product. Thanks again for stopping at the Cranberry Cornstalk YouTube channel. If you're new here, please make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel by going over, clicking that bell, clicking all. That way every time we release a video, you'll be able to see the next video. We make all kinds of primitive decor here. We do sell wholesale, and I'm excited to tell you that I do have a new catalog. Just finished it this morning. So if you are a retail shop and you would like to purchase some of our items wholesale, make sure you text or contact me on the website. You can email me as well, victoriabowser@hotmail.com, and I can get you out a catalog. There is a fee for the catalog, but we do take that off of your order once you place an order, $200 minimum order. And is that all the things I want to share with you guys? Happy fall. I hope you liked our fall videos that we just did. Today's video is not a lot of fall, just a little bit of some scenery, getting into some cooler weather, although it's been pretty nice. And heading into the Christmas season, it's so exciting. Don't forget, we have lots of soaps, room sprays, and things like that people seem to like in the cooler temperatures. Okay guys, with all that being said, let's get started.